Meetings are just about essential for any kind of home working. With Skype for Business ending service in just over a year, there are two other options that will both run online meetings from 1 to 1,000 people. Microsoft Teams or Zoom. Microsoft Teams is part of the Office 365 suite. Yes, it will do online meetings, but it's a big beast and it's designed for a lot more than just meetings. Microsoft Teams is a comprehensive online organization management system. Teams has a steep learning curve. If you're already using Office 365 and that's what you need, Teams is excellent. And you'll probably already be using it as part of your daily work. We'll look at Teams in detail a little later. But if you're just setting up to work from home and you need online meeting software quickly, Zoom is a great choice. Many governments, news organisations, education providers, small businesses and individual users are all switching to Zoom. It's much easier to learn than Teams. It's quicker to get up and running. It's easier for your colleagues to understand. And you can incorporate it into Teams if you need to. So, let's start with Zoom. Zoom has a simple, effective pricing plan where the free version can host an unlimited number of meetings from 1 to 100 participants. But there's a 40-minute time limit on group meetings for the free version. To increase your meeting time up to 24 hours and get more control, you can opt for the Pro plan for about $15. You can either use Zoom online with your browser, or download the application to your local machine or even to your mobile phone. Zoom will run natively on both Mac and Windows. To start, go to the Zoom website and create an account. You'll get an email confirmation. Just open the email and activate your new account, and you'll be taken to the welcome page. Here's where you enter your name and create a password. If you're going to use Zoom with a team, it's worth inviting them all to join at this point. It'll save time later. You'll be invited to start a test meeting. I've skipped this, as it can be annoying for others. And there's your account profile. Well, we could continue this video with training on how to host a meeting, how to invite people and how to join, but the nice people at Zoom have created their own training videos, so there's very little point in duplicating them here. Go to the bottom of the left panel and select Video Tutorials, and there you are. So, if you want a quick, easy and professional way to hold online meetings that isn't going to cost you the earth, eTop Technology recommends that you try Zoom. And if you need more information about setting up for home working, remember, we're here to help.
If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, check out some of our more recent videos. And if you're looking for a new IT partner, please visit our website.